work in a town called Lurgan, which is pretty much right in the middle of Northern Ireland as you look, and I've been a police officer for 9.5 years. We had in Northern Ireland what we termed the Troubles, and essentially what that was sectarian infighting between the mainly Catholic nationalist community and the mainly Protestant unionist community. Essentially fighting over who Northern Ireland belonged to. There are still divisions out there for no reason other than that's just the way it's been. That to me is heartbreaking. I think it narrows people's possibilities, it narrows horizons, it stops children from actually experiencing the world as it is and gives a very fake and quite hardened outlook on life. So when Alistair first told me about the partnership with Esri, I thought that, you know, when we talk about building bridges in communities, that needs to start right at the grassroots, and if we can't start that in people's homes, then starting it in schools is, you know, it's the next best thing. We discussed how we could really effectively use this to challenge the kids and to get the conversations and the dialogue going. What we came up with together was the idea of plotting different points around Lurgan. I think 15 different points we came up with from both communities and the town centre, looking at working class unionist areas, working class nationalist areas, slightly more affluent areas on both sides, the shared spaces, the antisocial behaviour hotspots, the places that a lot of these kids' peers would be and go and have fairly hardened views on, taking them hopefully out of their comfort zone to places they haven't been, also to places of worship from both sides of the community, and just simply asking that question, how do you feel about this place? Let's start watching these kids learn about each other in a new way and learning that there's far more that brings them together than should ever be allowed to separate them, and how they can use this technology and use the surveys that we've done and measure sentiment as they've done. That is how they can build the change of the future. That is how they can spread this message of hope to their peers, to their generation, and, you know what, even to the generations to come and the generations previously.